Hi guys, another delivery from Lazada.com. This is supposed to be a bike light. It's a classic bike light, and it's not what I expect because the box is so small, meaning it's also so small. But the description in their page is it's supposed to be a little bit big, like this. But look, the box is so small. So let's try to open it for the first time. Okay. See? The box is so small. I can even hold it with one hand. See? There's the attachment thing. This is it. Look. It's around the size of a medium-sized apple. And I ordered it with a description that it's supposed to be big. It's supposed to be like this. But look, it's just the size of a medium-sized apple. It's so small. How can I use this? And it's not even worth the price because they even changed the price because this one is only 300 plus. Now it's already 498. It was posted 300 plus 300 something, but the Lazada system is not is now down, so I cannot really uh, show you what's the real price. But as far as I can remember, this is only 300 plus. That's why I bought this one. But now it's 498. So I don't know the reason, but this is another case. Before, I bought something like a banana bed. They also they also changed the price from 300 plus to 400. Now this is also changed. The price is also changed from 300 plus to 498. I don't know the reason. So I'm calling their. I tried to call their customer care, but it's Sunday, and I found out that Lazada is closed during Sunday na pala. So I'm going to try to call them again tomorrow to verify the reason why is it also having another price aside from what was posted in the Lazada site. So this one is not good. It's so small, although there's even a crack. There's even a crack here. A very long, very thin crack. I'm just going to return this one. Thank you.